Guys, this is a video on how to change the heater matrix on a right hand drive Volkswagen Scirocco. So what we're going to do, we're going to start by taking the glove box off and seeing if we can either move this trim here or if we have to remove the whole center console. But yeah, let's see how we get on. First off, glove box, couple screws at the bottom, screws at the top. Try and get that out. See the heater pipes there, so I'm assuming it's up there somewhere. Hopefully it's not a complete dash out job. Let's see how we go. All right guys, I've got the glove box off, as you can see. So there were screws at the top, a couple screws at the bottom, also a screw under here. So just take this panel off and you can see the screw. So far it looks like we ain't got to take the center console off. This trim just detaches once you take that screw out. That was over there. And now this is the cover for the heater matrix, which we've got to get off. As you can see, the pipes run up into there. So I'm gonna get this cover off next. So it's a couple of bolts. Also that one arm. Just got to squeeze them to get that arm off to get to the screw behind it. Get this cover off and then let's see. I'm hoping that this doesn't get in the way or that doesn't get in the way. Because it's gonna be dash out, but hopefully not. Alright guys, so got this cover off here. So you just undone it from that yellow arm there, as you can see. And then it was 6mm bolts all the way around. You can leave that module on. And now we can see the heat matrix. We've got the clamps, the matrix there. And it's looking like, we just do a bit of persuasion, it should just slide out. So I'm going to undo them clamps, obviously put something down to catch any coolant. You don't want it getting on your carpet. Move the plugs out of the way and then you should be able to slide it straight out. So hopefully, let's give it a go. Alright guys, got the heater matrix out, as you can see. Got the pipes with the old seals, got the new one here, and this one came with seals. I got this off eBay. If you need the link, drop a comment below and I can share it with you. But basically, to split these pipes from the old matrix, I basically got the thinnest screwdriver possible, tapped it in the gap and then slowly moved it round, and then eventually got both pipes off, push the pipes back, slide the matrix out. It's a little bit fiddly, but at least you ain't got to remove the dash to do it. I think going back in is going to be a bit of a pain, but it is what it is. Right guys, I've got the new matrix in, as you can see. So with the seals, I tried putting the seals on the pipes first and they just keep sort of squishing up. So I sort of put them in here first, wedge these back with my hand and then sort of push the pipes in. These clamps normally are pretty pain, but what I did was got the clamp round, pushed the pipe together with one hand, then squeezed the clamp together with some needle nose pliers. So once we've done that, they sort of pushed up together, spun them round in how they were originally, and then just tightened them up and then nipped them up with a ratchet. So hopefully now it's not going to leak, it should be all right. Let's see how it goes. Alright guys, got it running now. Pipes are getting hot, no leaks. Just waiting for it to get up to temperature. They're definitely getting warm air straight away. The last matrix was blocked and basically was getting no heat or lukewarm heat, but now it's piping hot. It's good, got no leaks. Still got to put the dash back together, glove box and stuff, but let me bleed out. hopefully it should be all good. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and hopefully this video helped you.